Officers were dispatched in reference to a shots fired complaint. The victim told them that amidst a heated argument with her neighbor, 3 shots were fired by the neighbor, and they drove off in their white vehicle. The police were able to track her down.
Hello. Can you go ahead and step out of the vehicle, please?
For what?
So I can have a discussion with you.
I can stay in my car. You have to discuss it with my body. How do you just open my door?
Hey, step out the vehicle.
Step out of the vehicle.
What?
Step out the vehicle.
Are you allowed to do this?
Step out the vehicle. Thank you, I appreciate it. Step out the vehicle.
No, I don't understand what's going on.
I said get on the floor. Get on the floor.
You're being, you don't even tell me what I'm being like held for. Like, what's going on? How? What am I being detained? Like, what is y'all doing? What is y'all doing? Can I get my phone? Like, what are y'all doing? Why do y'all be aggressive, police?
Got it.
My phone? Can you get my phone?
Get up.
Get my phone.
1, 2, 3.
My phone is right there.
We'll get it. Let's go.
No,
I said let's go.
what is y'all doing? Y'all not telling me why I'm being detained.
Do you have anything that I gotta be worried about, concerned about?
Excuse
Do you have anything on you that I gotta be worried about, concerned
Not
about?
on me. You can check me right now.
Okay, cool.
So what is the issue? What is the issue? I'm asking. Y'all not giving me communication. My phone is in the middle of the street.
Yeah, we got it. We'll get it.
Excuse me. I'm asking you, what's the issue here? Why am I
I'll
being
explain
pulled
that to you in
over?
a second.
And then she's being highly aggressive.
She's not being aggressive.
Yes, she
No,
is.
she's not. Go on, take a seat.
Are you being pulled or are you being
Go on,
dragged?
take a seat.
What am I?
Slide yourself in.
What am I being? No.
Slide yourself in.
What am I?
Put your feet
Y'all
in.
aggressive. Y'all not telling me nothing though. Y'all not telling me nothing though. Hello, excuse me. You're not telling me nothing.
Move your feet right now.
Can y'all tell? No, because I have the right. I have the right for y'all to tell me something. Hello? And then y'all just shut the door. No. You need to tell me what I'm being detained for. Why am I in cuffs?
1, 2, 3.
Get the off of me.
The officers found the gun that the woman had been trying to hide.
Yeah. It is. So she has history of basically shooting guns off.
Does she?
Yeah.
It's wet.
Is she probably clean or something? No?
That could be from old CLP left on there.
Yeah. I think crossing. Hey, can you help us, Marine, with that? Okay.
Does it smell like gunpowder? I know it sounds like a weird question, but anyone got a white glove? I don't have gloves.
It kind of smells like alcohol.
We can use the green.
Hello? Y'all searching my truck without a warrant. Hello? That's my private property. You're searching my stuff. My mom's federal. Do y'all not understand that shit?
This is the car, the person, the named suspect is the owner of the vehicle. I'm not sure if that's her. I have to look at her picture real quick. It legitimately came out at the same time we was looking at it, and this car was in front of us. No turn signal on a fountain or whatever either.
Hello? And then y'all do shit like this. Y'all don't even sit up here and talk to people and tell them. That's why people don't with police. Yes.
Yes?
I don't understand what's going on.
All right.
Why do y'all do that? Y'all don't even tell nobody like what's going on. You just pull somebody over and snatch them out their car like, hello?
Yeah?
And then y'all be like, what did I do to you? You personally don't even know me. So y'all can't tell me nothing.
Not right now. When it comes to the point that we speak with you, I'll gladly do that, okay? But it's not yet.
Is that gonna be
Not right now.
over and snatch me out of my car and I'm trying to go pick up somebody from work? Y'all talking about a licensed gun that I have? Y'all sound dumb as
She's dramatic. This lady is dramatic. No, Chelsea is like so calm. I couldn't smell anything on her, but I also was not trying to smell.
Hello? I got cameras on my house, so we can literally play this shit back. I should not be in cuffs right now. And all y'all laughing about this stuff.
Oh, yes.
We're on this dude for like 2 hours. He just wouldn't do anything.
This funny? See, this shit I don't like. Y'all dang police is shitty as Hello? Y'all not allowed to talk to me or something?
Do that by state law, so.
You didn't let me know nothing. You said you would talk to me when it's ready. But you guys didn't let me know nothing when you snatched me out my car, though. Y'all got the wrong I got cameras on my house. There was a... Alright. Y'all always get the wrong people, though. It's cool. I was attacked, and then y'all come get me.
So we're going to start out with the fact that you are intoxicated and you're driving a vehicle. Are you going to be willing to consent to a breathalyzer?
No, because I'm not drunk. I have a bottle on my car. Y'all found that. I went to a party. I'm allowed to have a couple of drinks, but I'm not over the limit. So that's fine.
Well, that's why I'd like to...
I was attacked at my own house address, so that's what it is. I have cameras on my house, and y'all will see that. She sent her man outside to attack me.
All right. Well, we're starting out with the OVI right now, okay?
OVI, my... That's cool.
So are you willing to go down for a breathalyzer?
Lady, I'm going to go to jail regardless.
Just a yes or no.
Just take me to jail, girl.
Alright, so since you're refusing, I do have to read this to you. You now are under arrest for OVI, operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol.
And I'm not.
Okay.
Okay.
If you refuse to take any chemical tests required by law, your Ohio driving privileges will be suspended immediately.
Where my truck going,
And you
though?
will have to pay a fee to have the privileges reinstated.
Okay. Nobody has told me. Y'all snatched me out my car.
So as of right now, it's OVI.
No, whoa.
You've refused for the breathalyzer test, and we're going straight down to jail for that.
Y'all don't know nothing about an OVI. Y'all just stopped the car and ripped me out of my car. That does not stand up. What am I being arrested for initially? Y'all follow me up the street. You guys.
What I'm talking about is the OVI.
There's no OVI.
Okay.
I want to know what I'm initially arrested for.
Right. So you're being arrested for the OVI right now.
I'm being arrested for an OVI.
Correct. Now on top of that.
Okay, I'm listening. I'm sorry.
On top of that, you're being arrested for weapons while intoxicated, discharging a firearm over a public roadway, and aggravated menacing.
Okay, but...
And also obstruction for refusing to get out of the vehicle.
Because I don't know what I'm being arrested for.
So with the OVI, are you refusing? I'm not getting mad at you. So are you willing to take the breathalyzer?
No, I'm not, because I'm not drunk. But I'm saying, did I run a red light? Did I not have my turn signal on? And then you leave the car.
Go down. She's refusing, so.
You did not tell me what you pulled me over for. You guys ran your lights. After I did everything compliant, I literally turned my turn signal on. I went the right speed and everything, and then you guys turn on your lights. What am I being pulled over for and detained for?
I've already told you.
That's after the fact that you guys pulled me over, so you guys just, what, randomly suspected me?
Shooting over the roadway?
Well, who's the witnesses of doing anything like that?
You will have a chance to face your accuser in court.
Face my accuser, but you obviously have the wrong person. That's what I'm telling you. So you guys just take people to court for that? Or you just gotta take people to jail for that? Right, and then you guys are quiet. That's not fair. How would you appreciate somebody just took you and said you're going to jail?
Well, we explained to you several
Well,
times.
you didn't explain nothing to me. You're telling me what you think I'm guilty of. You was not there.
Okay, kid. So we can have a conversation, but you.
We're not no, and then you guys act like, no, because you're not telling me. You guys never read me my rights. You guys just snatched me out the car, pull over, get out the car. I pulled over for the police because their lights is on. I thought I was speeding or something. I did exactly what y'all asked me to do, and then you guys are snatching me out my car. For what? I'm out of my damn business. And now I'm going to jail. Y'all pissing me the off. Then y'all just snatched me out of my car. Y'all dangerous out here in Ohio.
Even after being transported to the jail, the woman continued to argue with the officers.
loved to have given you the opportunity to explain yourself. But by not stepping out of the vehicle, I know you have a gun on you, right? You're refusing to step out of the vehicle. I can't see your other hand. What am I supposed to do at that point? If what you are saying is true and that he's lying, then you need the camera footage to prove that you are innocent.
The female was charged with the following offenses: aggravated menacing, obstructing official business, resisting arrest, carrying concealed weapons, using weapons while intoxicated, improperly handling firearms, discharge firearm on or near an OVI. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen.